Good morning everybody. Welcome to online class Priyadarshini High School. I am Mrs. Asra, your social teacher. Children, today I am posting the revision for you. That is short answer questions, essay questions and one diagram. Drawing. Okay. So this marks, that is it will be for 10 marks. Okay. So first one, why is a map colorful? Question, who was the first president of India? And the third question is, name the 3 states that were occupied by the British in the beginning of the rule. ये questions अच्छा देख लो. Why is a map colorful? Who was the first president of India? Name the 3 states that were occupied by the British in the beginning of the rule. Now the answers for this. First answer is map colorful because it indicates different landforms and countries. Map is colorful because it indicates a different landforms or countries. Then the second one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Children, I have written the 3 questions there and the 3 answers on this page. Okay. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Now the third one, Bengal, Bihar and Orissa are the 3 states occupied by the British in the beginning of the rule. Bengal, Bihar and Orissa are the 3 states occupied by the British in the beginning of the rule. Okay? Got it till here? The next question is, who is the present president of India? यानी अब का president कौन है? अब जो president इंडिया का कौन है? So Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. What is a globe? Globe is the 3-dimensional model of the earth. Globe is the 3-dimensional model of the earth. Next question is, name the social reformers who set up the Brahmo Samaj. Okay, social reformers who set up the Brahmo Samaj. That is, the answer is the social reformers who set up the Brahmo Samaj were Swami Vivekananda and Rabindranath Tagore. Swami Vivekananda and Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Governor General of India? Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General of India. Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General of India. What are latitudes? The horizontal lines of on the globe are called latitudes. Okay, these are the short answers. Now we learn the essay answers. First one, how many continents are there on the earth? What are there? Which is the largest continent? There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So among these, Asia is the biggest continent. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So Asia is the biggest continent. Okay? Got it everybody? Next question is, name any 4 freedom fighters. The freedom fighters are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Mangal Pandey and Lala Lajpat Rai. Freedom fighters are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Mangal Pandey and Lala Lajpat Rai. Name some of the pioneers of social reforms. The pioneers of social reformers were Dadabhai Naoroji and Rabindranath Tagore. How many oceans are there on the earth? Name them. Which country shares its name with an ocean? There are 5 oceans on the earth. They are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean shares the name with the country. Indian Ocean shares the name with the country. व्हाट वाज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ सिविल डिसोबीडिएंट मूवमेंट? सिविल डिसोबीडिएंट का एक ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था बोले तो व्हेन गांधी जी अपोज टू सेंड इंडियन ट्रूप्स टू द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, गांधी जी सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में इंडियन ट्रूप्स भेजने से इनकार कर दिए थे, वही एक ऑब्जेक्टिव था। तो लास्ट सेक्शन है ड्रॉ द लैटिट्यूड्स एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। यहाँ से देख के भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं या फिर अगर आप लोगों को आता है तो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। तो इतना आप लोगों का रिवीजन था, यहाँ पे रिवीजन ख़त्म हो गया बच्चों। ओके, ऑल राइट डाउन इन योर क्लास वर्क्स एंड